Everyone, welcome back to my channel. We have got a packed update today. Four major stories: moving markets, Elon Musk and Tesla, and AWS outage, AMD hitting all-time high, and the U.S China tariff drama. Let's jump in. So first up, Tesla. So for the Tesla stock, it's up 1.8% today, which is not a very significant increase comparing to the ridiculous rally in the past months. There's been a lot of buzz lately about whether Elon Musk might step away from Tesla. Here's the reality: he's not leaving, at least not officially. What's fueling the speculation is Musk's astonishing $1 trillion compensation plan, tied to ambitious targets like Tesla delivery numbers and robotaxi deployment. Proxy advisory firms like ISS and Glassdoor are urging shareholders to vote against it, citing governance concerns. Musk has reportedly said he won't remain CEO if the package doesn't pass, which keeps the headline alive. For investors, this is the key. Tesla is extremely sensitive to any Musk-related news. Even the hint of leadership uncertainty can trigger volatilities. So no official exit yet, but the potential threat is real, and the November shareholder vote will be something to watch closely. Okay, then we got AWS or Amazon. So this Monday, AWS experienced a major outage, hitting the US East 1 region. The downtime affects thousands of apps globally, from Reddit to Fortnite to banks in the UK, because AWS powers so much of the internet infrastructure. The technical cause and DNS and the network issue that cascade across multiple services. AWS has since mitigated the problem, but the incident is a reminder that even tech giants aren't immune to systematic failures. For markets, this direct effect on Amazon stock was mild, but it highlights the risk of infrastructure dependency. Investors are paying attention to uptime and reliability, especially as more businesses rely on AWS for critical operations. Okay, and then we'll move on to AMD. So AMD just hits a new all-time high today, and is close at $240 as the market close. So what's behind the rally? So it's a strong demand for AI chips and data center hardware. AMD has landed large AI infrastructure deals, including multi-gigawatts order from hyperscalers and partnerships with cloud providers. Their MI series GPUs are in high demand. This rally shows AMD is no longer just catching up to competitors. It's a serious player in AI and data centers. But high expectation means there's a little room for execution mistakes. If you are watching semiconductors, this is a major milestone. AMD is firing on all cylinders, but the market will be quick to punish any misstep. And speaking of the global tech trade, let's switch gears to tariffs. So let's finally talk about the headline-grabbing 155% U.S. tariff threat on Chinese goods. At first glance, it sounds extreme, but the contents matters. It is a classic Trump negotiation style: announce a massive number to create leverage, push for a concession, and then negotiate down. Reports indicate the actual tariffs, if implemented, will likely be delayed or far lower than 155%. It's more like a political theater than economic policy at this stage. For markets, the immediate effect is sentiment and volatility. Chinese exporters like EV markets react, while US companies with domestic production may tick slightly up. The bigger story is that the trade tension is back, and investors should watch headline closely, but not panic over the extreme numbers. Okay, here's all the news for today. Thank you guys for listening, and please leave a comment in the And please leave comments in the section, and stay tuned, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys so much.